How to turn on or turn off get automatic date and time on the iPhone 17 or 17 Pro or Pro Max. First, let's go back to the home screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we then scroll down and tap on General. After that, scroll down, then tap on Date and Time. Then in here, tap on Set Automatically. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off. If you turn it off, you can manually change the time, or you can turn it on so that the phone will automatically get the date and time from the time server. Here, it will automatically choose your time zone as well. If you switch it off, you can try to manually select a time zone. So here, we can type in and we can change the time zone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.